Refrigeration reinvented. TurboAir's vertical and horizontal open display cases. Improve your food sales while lowering maintenance costs with these elegant, durable display cases. Featuring an ultra-strong urethane body, optimal cold air distribution, and our patented self-cleaning condenser, these products are guaranteed to enhance your store or restaurant for years to come. TurboAir's open display cases grab your customers' attention with a modern yet timeless style. We combine sleek contours with solid, reliable designs to increase impulse purchases, especially in high-traffic areas. And the safety-reinforced tempered glass protects your inventory, while our LED lighting system shows it at its best. The side covers of the cases are made from a sturdy, shock-absorbing blend of polyurethane and rubber. This means they'll withstand wear and tear far better than other units made of wood. In addition, the stainless steel solid shelves come standard and keep your perishable food safe and sanitary. Thanks to our patented, self-contained water system, there's absolutely no plumbing required. So all you have to do is plug the machine into any regular outlet, cutting service costs while boosting energy efficiency. And our unique refrigeration technology allows cold air to flow throughout, which maintains an equal temperature from top to bottom. Best of all, these open display cases will run smoothly for years to come. Introducing our patented self-cleaning condenser, which saves thousands of dollars in maintenance costs and hundreds of hours in lost time. A fine mesh filter catches dust, while rotating brushes run daily to move dirt away from the condenser. This revolutionary device comes at no additional cost. We have the most models registered with the Department of Energy and Energy Star in the entire commercial refrigeration industry. Join the TurboAir family today and enjoy flawless design, state-of-the-art technology, and the fastest service in the industry, all at an incredible value. Every customer has the right to choose the best product. TurboAir. Refrigeration reinvented.